As ZANU-PF's internal succession battles intensify, former rivals Christopher Mutsvangwa and businessman Mutsvangwa Tagwirei have unexpectedly buried their hatchet and joined forces to block Vice President Chiwenga's presidential ambitions. Sarabina mashoko kudanyigwa panguva ino chinokonzi Mutsvangwa naTagwirei vounita kufighta chibiko Chiwenga. Ribo subscribe like on the bell kuti pinaona mobudanyigwa muchinzi. The surprising reunion was symbolically captured at the party's national conference in Mutare, where the two men, once bitter foes, embraced warmly, signaling a temporary truce driven by shared political interests. For years, Mutsvangwa and Tagwirei have been fierce rivals, competing for political influence and lucrative state contracts. Mutsvangwa, a war veteran and former presidential advisor, sought to control Zimbabwe's fuel supply through his interest in the Feruka pipeline from Mozambique. His ambitions, however, were thwarted by Tagwirei, the powerful Sakunda Holdings boss and ally of President Mnangagwa. Tagwirei's company dominated the fuel sector during the Command Agriculture era, securing multi-million-dollar deals, allegedly through his close ties with the president. The fallout between the two men spilled into politics in 2018 when Tagwirei reportedly enrolled independent candidate Temba Mliswa's campaign against Mutsvangwa in Norton. Mliswa defeated Mutsvangwa decisively, a loss insiders attributed to Tagwirei's quiet financial support for Mliswa as part of his broader effort to clip Mutsvangwa's political wings. Despite his history of rivals, political expedience appears to have united Mutsvangwa and Tagwirei against a common threat, Chiwenga, the vice president who led the 2017 military coup that ousted Robert Mugabe and brought Mnangagwa to power. He has long harbored ambitions to succeed Mnangagwa. However, since 2018, relations between the two men have deteriorated amid mutual distrust and competition for control of ZANU-PF's future. Sources within the party say Mnangagwa's loyalists, including Mutsvangwa and his ally, war veterans leader Douglas Mahiya, have formed a strategic front to block Chiwenga's path to the presidency. Tagwirei, whose business empire depends heavily on state patronage, is said to have aligned himself with the same faction to protect his commercial interests and maintain favor with the Mnangagwa administration. At the just-ended Mutare conference, delegates endorsed Mnangagwa's term extension from 2028 to 2030, effectively neutralizing Chiwenga's succession prospects. Justice Minister ZVAITWA, aka Mnangagwa loyalist, read out the resolution by Mutsvangwa and Tagwirei. Public display of unity served as a visible reminder of how power blocks are realigned within the ruling party. These two are allies. The united kuvaita back vipi Chiwenga tudze mafunguro enyu muri kudi pamusoro pechitwa ichi nakume section medu za mafunguro enyu. So subscribe or like, check on the bell icon.